Have you ever felt sluggish, like your engine needs a tune-up? Well, today we're diving into a super important topic that can help you feel amazing, especially when it comes to your liver. Our liver is a hard-working organ, truly a superhero. It performs hundreds of vital functions every single day, from filtering blood, producing bile, to metabolizing nutrients. But like any superhero, sometimes our liver gets a little overwhelmed with its daily workload. With modern lifestyles and unhealthy diets, our liver can become overloaded and start accumulating toxins. This can lead to various health issues, from fatigue and indigestion to more serious liver diseases. So, how can we show some love to our amazing liver and support its natural detox process? In this video, I'm going to share with you a fantastic list of 11 tasty, affordable, and easy-to-find foods that can be your liver's best friends. Let's dive in! The first one is garlic. All right, first up, we've got the pungent powerhouse, garlic. Garlic is packed with compounds like allicin and selenium. Think of them as personal trainers for your liver's detox enzymes. They help jumpstart the process of flushing out unwanted toxins. Studies have even shown that garlic can help reduce fat buildup in the liver. So go ahead and be generous with garlic in your meals. Your liver and probably your taste buds will thank you. The second one is coffee. To all the coffee lovers out there, good news! Multiple studies have shown that drinking coffee in moderation can offer significant benefits for liver health. It may help protect against certain liver diseases and reduce the risk of fibrosis or liver scarring. However, it's important to remember that moderation is key, and loading it with sugar and cream can offset some of these benefits. So opt for a plain black brew for the best results. The third one is green tea. Hello, tea enthusiasts! Green tea isn't just a soothing drink, it's also a fantastic friend to your liver. It's full of powerful antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to protect the liver from damage and improve its function. Some studies even suggest that regular green tea consumption may lower the risk of liver disease. So swap your sugary soda for a warm cup of green tea. Your liver will thank you for the healthy upgrade. The fourth one is turmeric. Time for a splash of vibrant color and a boost for your liver. Turmeric, with its signature bright yellow hue, has been used for centuries for its health benefits. Its star compound, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Curcumin can help protect the liver from damage, improve its function, and even stimulate the regeneration of liver cells. Add turmeric to your curries, soups, or even make a golden turmeric latte. It's a delicious way to support your liver health. The fifth one is blueberries. Who doesn't love a handful of juicy blueberries? These little blue-purple gems are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their beautiful color. These antioxidants are fantastic at protecting your liver from oxidative stress and reducing inflammation. Toss them in your breakfast, smoothies, or just snack on them throughout the day. It's a tasty and simple way to show your liver some love. The sixth one is grapefruit. Next up, grapefruit, especially pink and red varieties. These juicy fruits are loaded with antioxidants like naringin and naringin. Think of them as little shields protecting your liver cells from damage. These compounds also help your liver break down fats more efficiently. Starting your day with half a grapefruit or a small glass of fresh grapefruit juice can be a refreshing way to support your liver. However, a quick heads up, If you're taking certain medications, check with your doctor before making grapefruit a regular part of your diet, as it can sometimes interact with meds. The seventh one is dark leafy greens or bitter greens. All right, let's talk about our green superheroes. Spinach, kale, arugula, cabbage, and all those awesome dark leafy greens. These are packed with chlorophyll, which acts like a natural magnet for toxins in your blood. It helps bind to them and escort them out of your body. Plus, they're full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, all of which support healthy digestion and ease the burden on your liver. Sneak them into smoothies, steam them as a side dish. Go green for a healthy liver. The eighth one is beets. Look at that vibrant color. It's beetroot. This earthy-tasting root vegetable is a hidden gem for liver health. It's an excellent source of betaine and other powerful antioxidants. Betaine acts like a gentle nudge for your liver, encouraging it to function optimally and improve bile flow, essential for flushing out toxins. Beet juice is a super popular way to enjoy these benefits. Its deep red color is a clear sign of high antioxidant content, especially anthocyanins, which are great for liver health. And don't worry if your urine turns a bit pink or red after eating beets, it's totally normal. The ninth one is lemon. Who loves a zesty splash of lemon in their life? Lemons are not just for lemonade. These bright yellow fruits are fantastic for your liver. They're rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that stimulate bile production. Bile acts like your liver's natural cleanser, helping to break down fats and flush out toxins. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water is a simple yet powerful way to kickstart your liver's detox process. The 10th one is olive oil. Now let's talk fats, specifically the good kind. Extra virgin olive oil is full of healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. When consumed in moderation, it can actually help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Think of it as lubrication for your liver's engine. Use it in your salad dressings or drizzle it over cooked vegetables. Just remember, moderation is key. It's still oil after all. The 11th one is avocado. Okay, avocado lovers, rejoice! This creamy fruit isn't just amazing on toast, it's also fantastic for your liver. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and a powerful antioxidant called glutathione, which plays a vital role in liver detox. While they're incredibly healthy, avocados are also calorie-dense, so moderation is important. But incorporating them into your diet is definitely a great step toward a healthier liver. So there you have it, 11 delicious and natural ways to love and support your liver. Remember, incorporating these foods into a balanced diet is a great step toward better health. Stay hydrated, limit alcohol, avoid processed and fast foods, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. All of these will go a long way in supporting your liver and overall well-being. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these liver-friendly foods are already in your diet, and which ones are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.